Good morning, everyone. How are you all? Today we are going to do vegetable painting. What we are going to do today? Vegetable painting, for which I have taken one capsicum and a onion. Okay, so let's start. Do you like to make flowers? So we will make flowers with the help of capsicum, and we are going to take red color in it. I will apply red color here all over the sides of the capsicum, and we will have a print here on the book like this. Fine. Now let's take another one. Like this. Isn't it looking nice? It's giving a shape of a flower. It is giving a shape of a flower. Okay, tell me which color is this? Red color. Which color? Red color. You have to press it tightly so that impression will come on it and it will look beautiful. It's looking like a bunch of flowers, isn't it? It's looking like a bunch of flowers. What do we mean by bunch? Anyone of you knows? Bunch means group of flowers, right? Now we are going to use green color to make leaves. And we are going to have print on the onion. Okay, we will print it on the onion of every side, all over the onion. And we are going to use this side in the inside like this. Okay, this will come inside. You have to press it tightly, otherwise your impression will not come. Isn't it giving impression of a leaf? And it's looking very beautiful also. And our last leaf is left now on this side. Okay, and now I'm going to give our, now we are going to use which color? Yellow color for outline and to give a very beautiful look. We will make circles inside it like this. Okay, circle everywhere with the help of yellow color, little bit big one, and now we will give it, you can see that we outline must be like this. Now it should come like in this manner. You may use, if you don't have this one, you may use yellow crayon also for the outline. Okay, and it will give a very beautiful look. Isn't it looking beautiful? It will give a beautiful look. Okay, in this way your flower is looking beautiful. It's your own choice whether you want to make it whether you want to use your outline or not. It depends on you. If you want that it should not be given a outline, then you may leave it as it is, and if you want to give an outline, then you may give outline as well. It's totally depending on you. If you think you want to give outline, it's your wish. If you don't want to give, then it's your wish. Okay? I like flowers of different colors. That's why I'm using outline of it. Now our yellow color is done. Now I'm going to use black color to give some effects on it. Only this one, like this. Okay, this is only for the effects. Like this. Our flower is ready, and now I'm giving interior outline to the leaves with dark green color. Only outline is enough for it. Look, our vegetable printing is over. I hope you have understood it, how to make and how to give the right impression. So that's all from my side today. Bye bye.